Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very exciting unboxing. It's the NINJA Slushi. Let's get on with it. So let's get this box open. Let's cut this banding off and we will open up the box and see what's inside. This is just the unboxing today. We will be testing this machine out over the next few weeks, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that content coming up. We'll be doing some cocktails, milkshakes, that sort of stuff. But today is just the unboxing. Okay, so the first one we've got is some sort of instruction booklet. It's all paper, can't see any plastic packaging, which is great. We have the drip tray. And this is the, it's very heavy, bear with me. Woo! Okay, so we've got the power lead there. Bit of sellotape holding this all together. Off that comes. All cardboard packaging, which is great. This is the main unit. Let's see how easy this is to get out. Oh, not too bad. So yes, more cardboard, and that's it. We'll leave that to the side. And then we've got this paper packaging around it. Excuse the noise. Wow, it's actually quite a heavy machine, really quite solid. So let's get rid of all this paper and packaging and then we can see exactly what we've got. And there we go. Not really much assembling to do. I'm going to get my glasses so I can actually see what I'm doing. But as I say, that's the drip tray. That goes under there, like so. But on this side of the unit, when you're not using it, it just clips for storage. Really good. So let's take that off. Lots of stickers on here. Pull bell handle forward to disassemble. Clean all parts before first use. Okay, we've also got on the top, add liquids here. Do not add ice, solid or hot ingredients. And you just lift up that flap there and pour your ingredients in. On switch at the back, keep unit running during dispensing. Okay, let's get the power lead over that side of it. Any more stickers here? Yes, we've got some more. Slush. Designed for transforming your everyday beverages, frozen cocktails, frozen juice, frappes and milkshakes. We've got some more stickers on this side. Here we go here. Low sugar alerts, got some advice there, how to fix. High alcohol / sugar alert. So little errors that you get, tells you how to fix them. Before plugging in, keep upright for 2 hours. Unit must be level before first use. So because of the refrigeration mechanics in there, I'm assuming there's some sort of gas inside there, like a refrigerator. So you leave that upright for 2 hours. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this lever, and that takes the unit off for washing. The stirrer comes off. And we've got some more tape here. Let's get rid of that. This is the, I think it's the condensing tray. So that can be washed. All of those bits are dishwasher friendly. The only thing that isn't is this base unit. And this is the module that actually freezes your drinks. So the only way to clean that is actually to do it by hand. There is a cleaning cycle. We'll go through that when we actually do our first recipe. So stay tuned for that. So really excited to give this a go. We've got a Ninja Slushi Frozen Drink Maker 10 Delicious Recipes booklet here. And we have a quick look inside. It gives you a bit of guidance on assembly, all that good stuff, temperature control, using the Ninja Slushi, disassembling and cleaning, really good, alcohol guidelines. And then we have some sort of quick menus for slush, frozen cocktails, frozen juice, how to make your own cocktails, really good advice, tropical recipe inspirations, 1 ingredient cola crush, so I'm assuming we just put Coca-Cola in there, or Pepsi, or your favourite cola, and away it goes. What else have we got? Diet Cola slush, tropical fruit slush, coffee frappe, frozen blood orange margarita, my kind of drink, frozen lemonade slush, spiced apple and cinnamon slush, salted caramel milkshakes, you can do milkshakes, dairy-free vanilla milkshake, frozen orange spritz, elderflower gin cocktail, frozen sangria, ooh, frozen Pimm's refresher, and create your own slush and some guidelines. Please subscribe so you don't miss any future content coming up with the Ninja Slushi, and I'll see you in the next video.